Recording in progress.
Hi friends, I am Sujit from IP Excel School, and today we discuss the advanced Excel. In the advanced Excel, we discuss the illustrations. Today we have last classes we discussed about the table, and now we move to the illustrations. If you have do something, the object and pictures related work in the Excel need to use illustrations. First, how can insert the picture in the Excel? If you have the picture in your PC, then click here, click on this device and go to your device, select your picture, just like we have select this and insert. You can see now I want to some changing this picture. Just like first we want to change is the size. So when you have clicked the picture, you have get the one more tab, picture format. So you want to increase the size, go to the corner and click here and move the mouse, your picture will increase and decrease. But I want to the exact size. So in the picture format you have see here, do the exact form just like 7. We have changed the height width according the width required will be changed here. So you have changed the size according the increase and decrease in the pictures, and you also fix size here. Now I want to crop the picture. I want to cut the some particular part. I want to logo only for logo these pictures. So we have click here crop, and now we have change here the size, and we have crop. Now click anywhere and press otherwise press enter. Your picture only for this picture will be shown here. Now you want to remove the background, but I want to picture from the internet. I want to picture from the internet. So go to the Google and I have searched the Modi, Narendra Modi, Shri Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister. Sorry, we have Narendra Modi, and we have go to the image. I want to this picture. Any one pictures, just like these pictures, and copy these pictures, copy image, right click, copy image, and go to the Excel, or normally you have paste here. Now we have resized my pictures, and I want to remove the background. In the picture format, the remove the background, click here. The Excel just like recognize and remove the background. And this the pink colored area will be removed, and without pink color area will be kept. But this is the not pick the correctly. Then click here, keep area marks. So we have draw here, and you can see when you draw area will be unselected for the remove background. But the problem is that okay, okay. Now, remove area will be markable because this you can see here some small part will be removed. Click here. Now is perfect. So we have just keep check. You can see your background will be removed here. Now we have curve here, and we have extra. Sorry, Control Z. Remove the extra area. Okay, your picture will be perfectly. Now you have also correction of pictures, just like correction is softest. You can see and change your check your color. Just color move, the brightness, color, everything we have changed here. I want to color in the black and white. I want to picture in the black and white. Select, click here. You can see picture in black and white. And you want to artificial, just a negative. You can select here. The picture will be convert in the negative. Now I want to transparency. Just like these pictures, I want to remove here. But with this picture, go to the back side. So right click here and send to back. So picture is the back and my logo is upper. So right click and send backward and forward also. And now I want to give the transparency. Go to the transparency and select how many transparency you want. Yeah, right. This type. Now I want to group the photo. So we have click here and select the two of all both of the pictures and right click and group. This is the group. So now the both are the picture. The one picture you have moved to only for one. Now you have also used the your frame. You can select the picture style and select your frame here. Now you can also picture border, picture effect. You can select here and all text as and the align group rotate. You rotate your pictures. Selection pane. You want to hide your pictures. Select here. Picture will be hide here. Okay. So this is the picture tools. You insert the picture and set here, and this is the reset. You have click here, your picture effect will be removed here and normal picture will be coming here. Now I want to insert some graphics. So in illustrations we have the shapes. You can draw the shapes according to requirement, just like we have select here and draw my shape. And when you draw the shape, you have get the new tab, save format, and you have changed your save format, change the color, change the border, also change the effect. If if you want to type anything, you have type here this IPT Excel tool. And now I want to change the text formatting. So this is the text field, but I want to increase the size. I go to the home menu or increase the size, your your text size. Now go to the SAF format and we have select here the color. The text fill, you have to fill the text effect, outline, and also text effect here. Rest of the align, rotate, selection pane, and hide bit in the same here. But I want to some changing myself. So we have click here, edit point, and edit point. Now we have changed my save. Just like I want to in okay. Uh, 1 second. Edit save, edit points, and now we have click here and increase the size. So you have increased the save style and format. You can also add the icons here, the insert in illustrations. Go to the icons and you have click here and insert the icons. So different icons, just like image, you insert search the image, but this is the online. You remember the icons. We have select the icons, any type of the icons. Cutout people, you can select any cutout people here. The stickers, illustrations, and cartoon people. But sometimes we have used the icon for the our reports, just like we have select here, and you can see icon will be available here. And you can also format your icons to change the color, background, border, etc. To insert the icon. In the illustrations, icon after icon, we have the 3D. You have also insert the 3D models. Yeah, if you use the latest Excel, you have add the your 3D models. Just like we have go to the space, and now we have select our space shapes here and insert. Now we have select our 3D shapes, increase the size, and also you have rotate your side your 3D image. Yeah, this is 3D image, not a normal 2D image. But this feature in the latest Excel, not a older Excel. After the installations, we have used also 3D model, and now if you have 3D model in the device, you can also insert like pictures, and also go to the smart art and select your smart art. It's like hierarchical chart, family tree, cycle, pyramid, like that structure you have selected here. Just like I have select the hierarchical and select this and insert, and we have make any list here, any list, just a manager, TL, BVP, like that your tree map chart. After that, you have also take the screenshot, screenshot your screen. So this is the illustrations. So we have the practice. The next class we discuss about the add-ins and charts. Thank you.